In today's article, we're going to talk about credit repair attorneys and the 7 tips to hire the best credit law firm to work on your behalf. Tip number 1, how do credit repair attorneys work? Frequently, a credit repair firm will do all the legwork to file your credit dispute and remove incorrect information from your credit history. They are going to communicate with all 3 of the major credit bureaus to get your credit report corrected. The credit bureaus are required by federal law to investigate consumer disputes. However, each time the credit bureau conducts an investigation, they must spend money that is otherwise profit. And did you know the credit bureaus are for-profit businesses? This is why Congress passed the Fair Credit Reporting Act in 1970. This law requires the credit bureaus to investigate consumer disputes despite them having to spend profit or potential money to do this. Tip number 2, do not hire an individual credit lawyer. You should avoid hiring a single credit attorney to work for you and never pay an hourly rate for credit repair help. Instead, look for a credit repair firm or a group of lawyers, and you can expect that the lawyer will probably not spend much time with your credit report case specifically. Instead, a paralegal will probably handle the majority, if not all, of your credit repair efforts. Tip number 3, how to avoid a credit repair scam. Yes, it's true. The credit repair industry has experienced some bad apples and less than reputable companies conducting business. But our government did respond. Did you know that there is a federal law that regulates credit repair services and credit lawyers? This federal law is called the Credit Repair Organizations Act. Any credit attorney or law firm you are considering to hire will tell you that they have been fully compliant with this federal law. If they don't, then find another group of credit attorneys. This law will make sure that you are not getting scammed and that the credit attorneys are working within federal laws to clean up your credit report. Tip number 4, age of the law firm. How long has this business or credit repair law firm been in business? The longer a credit repair lawyer has been in business generally means they are following regulations and working within the law. Tip number 5, look for a refund and avoid a guarantee. Repairing bad credit is similar to repairing a broken down car. When you take it in to be fixed, there may be more problems than you initially suspect. There is no guarantee that a mechanic can fix a broken car, and there is no guarantee that a credit attorney can fix a bad credit history. While there is no guarantee, any reputable credit repair firm will instead offer you a refund. If you are not satisfied with the progress of their work, then you can request to cancel the service and have your money refunded. Tip number 6, how much does it cost? You should only pay a monthly fee, which could range on the high end of about $100, but could be as low as $49 a month. Never pay an hourly fee. If you pay an hourly fee, it will result in a much more expensive credit repair bill. There will also be an intake or first work fee of about $100. Of course, these numbers are just the common standards right now. As you probably already know, a bad credit score costs you a ton of money every year, and compared to even a modest credit repair bill seems reasonable. Tip number 7, how long does it take? You should expect to use a credit attorney for at least a few months. Depending on the amount of work you need will depend on the amount of time you're going to require the service. On average, it takes about 6 to 12 months. But the important thing to note is you can get a good credit score. You don't just have to live with these expenses.